So now it has been successfully opened. So let's see how we can create a small Windows form and check whether it's working correctly. So I'm going to go and select File and New and Project. So the new project creation window will appear. Since I'm going to use the C sharp, so let me select C sharp first. I have selected, so expand it and select Windows. So here we have the available formats for Windows. So let me select Windows Forms application. Then if you need, you can change the file name. So let me select it to test, and the location I will change it to another location. So opening, so I'm going to go to my E drive and I will go and select this file. Here select folder, then press OK. Project is creating. Now you have this form application. So let me check whether it's working or not. I'm going to press start. Now here we can see our form application. So the Visual Studio has been installed, the 2013 version, and it's working correctly.